Check this out, guys. This little dehumidifier was gifted to me and it has been working absolutely flawlessly in my garage where it gets crazy humid. And the thing that I love about this is this light up display here. When you're walking by, you could tell if you're kind of in that range where you would want it to be for humidity without actually looking where it is, which is really nice. This will light up red when it is over 70, and then when it's in the range that it is right now, which is 45 to 65, currently at 54, it is green. If it is 45 or less, this display is actually gonna light up blue, which is really cool to have a little display like that to show you right away if you're in that range where you wanna be. So we're gonna go over all the features and functions of this, how to hook up the drain hose, all of that. So definitely stick around so you can see everything that this does. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Let's power this bad boy back up. We got all of our buttons here. Our power button, mode button, set button, timer, speed, and lock. So we can lock this up if we want to. We can adjust our speed. You see our little fan right there. I clicked my little speed button and we can speed it up or slow it down just by toggling through our speed button. And then you can notice the air difference coming out here through the side. Set is going to set our humidity. So right now we are set at 40. So once we hit 40, it is, since I have it on auto, which is in mode, and we'll get to that. Once it hits 40, it's gonna power down. And then when it raises above 40, it will kick back on. So it's gonna keep it in that 40 range. And we do that by hitting our setting. There we go. And then we can toggle it to wherever we want, and it's gonna go up by 5s. And 30 is gonna be the lowest that we can set it to. Next is gonna be our mode. So you can see that little drop right there on the display screen. That means it is in auto mode, and then we could also change it to continuous mode. And continuous mode, regardless of the humidity, it's gonna run. It's just gonna run continuously. So depending on what you like, if you just want it to just keep going, you have that option to do that as well. And then I can toggle it back to auto mode, and then we have our power button that you could also see right there. So let's look at the function of the machine. If I turn it here, this is where our air is coming out, and then around here on the back side, this is where the air is coming in, and it is on 360 degrees swivel casters as well, so we can move this around very, very easily wherever it is that we want it to go. I'm gonna go ahead and power it down because I'm going to take our little drain compartment here. So this is where all of our water is going to collect right here. And you can see that there is a visual gauge here as well. So when you're going by, you have a quick visual of where your water level is and if you need to dump it or not. It does have a little cover right here on top that is going to snap off, and then all of our water collects down in here. Let's say you're putting it down in your basement or very high humidity area, you know it's going to collect a lot of water and you don't want to be changing out the compartment. Well, it does come with a drain hose. Right here, hopefully you can see that in the camera, is where we're going to attach our drain hose right there. And then we can still take this and close everything up. It's notched out right there to where this can go into place just like that. So now this is a gravity feed design for our hose. So make sure your dehumidifier is up on something. If it's on the ground and then you just put it in a bucket right next to it, you're not going to be able to fill it up very much. So if you put it up higher and then put a big bucket down on the ground, then you're going to be able to fill up a lot of water very easily. Let's go ahead and take this back out. I'm going to disconnect my drain hose. And then the next thing that I want to show you on the back here is our air filter. So you can see that there's a little tab right here. I'm going to grab that tab. I'm going to slide it down. So we have a mesh air filter here because all of our air is coming in this way. So it's really nice that you're able to take this out and easily clean it. This is washable, and wash it up. And then you're going to take it and then you're going to just slide it right back into place like that. And then we'll take our compartment and slide that right back in. Very, very easy to do. We'll go ahead and spin this back around because it is on those really nice 360 degrees swivel casters. This is working amazingly well, especially in a high humidity area like my garage. It is an absolute workhorse, working flawlessly. They did a great job designing this and putting it together. And my favorite part is the glowing LED screen there up front, because I do a lot of work in my garage actually, and when I have it across the room doing its thing, I can look over and I can see if I'm in that humidity range that I wanted it, which is absolutely amazing. So if you guys are looking for a very well made, super cool, nice looking, nice display, LED display dehumidifier, I would definitely recommend going and checking this one out.